If you do not want your pool to look like this, then keep watching. This is a real customer review of the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Pool Cleaner. It is a robot. This pool has clearly been neglected. Nobody wants to see your pool looking like this. I'm a real customer, so I'm going to tell you everything you need to know so you can decide, do you want to get it or not? So the cleaners did not show up. We need to get this clean ASAP. We threw this in along with some other stuff, and bam, there is the after. So how exactly does it work? Let me tell you the good, the bad, the ugly. I hope that you find it helpful and it helps you decide if you want it or not. So how long should you actually, clean it and how often? Well, it depends how clean you like your swimming pool. At least once a week at the minimum, in my opinion. If you're using your pool regularly, though, like in the summer, I would use it every other day. But in the winter, probably once a week or twice a week would be fine. So what I love about it is it just takes a lot of work. We were manually doing all of our plate. Now, I'd say the cons, it is an investment, okay? These things are not cheap. I did so much research for you. This is by far the best bang for the buck. I love that the cord does not get tangled up. That makes it a lot easier. And even cleaning the filters and things are so easy. Anything that saves you time, in my opinion, is totally worth it. Highly recommend.